Vlog number 4 already. What did this family of 3 writers get up to last Saturday? Listen as I practice speaking Irish and maybe practice some yourself. Diahuiv. Ceart a charla de saran shokache. Chuimwyd godi an eile York de saran. Chun an dereseachtaine na scríbhneoirí a rastol. Sé York bailile sa chris na cruineachta beag nach 100 kilometer ó Perth. Buní sa bhliain 8 trícha a cuaige ach sé I dtír baladong nungare agus is an áit sin tír nunga leis na mílte agus na mílte blian. Bíonn an deiriseachtaine ná scríbhneoirí siúl gach blian. Thusaí an eile éon bhliain 10 ó shin. Is minic a bhíonn na córáte le scríbhneoirí in ionad faoin éir sa rookery, sa charán préchan. Bhí John an I góra le Williaman agus le sé Mark file eile. Le siad danta amach os art.
Examine thyself, singing honey eater, attended and not harried by 6 silver eyes flurrying excitably about this loner. Alone the singing honey eater comes in over the hills and paddocks into geraniums is all meditation.
Le John amach as a lauer spirals. Honnig an lauer amach an norri. Is sé an falsichor UWA Publishing. Le sé Mark amach as a lauer nua, the hum hearers o UWA Publishing freshen. Vi slua maar on. Van me an sultas. Speaking practice is tough and scary. We can worry about grammar as we go or about accent. I'm not a native speaker. I make mistakes. But if you like hearing someone practice and feeling encouraged to practice yourself speaking Irish, why not check out the other vlog episodes in this series?